Oh, please stop. I can't take it, make it stop. I can't stand those fucking chainsaws. This is crazy, I must get out of this treatment center.
I don't know how we got here, but we gotta get out. What's that?
I think it's your husband, Dr. Helpchick. It seems as though he's treating a patient.
I think you are about to be treated at the Helpchick Chainsaw Treatment Center for Wayward Girls.
Now I done told you I ain't no wayward girl.
I heard you was very wayward.
Do you want to find out how wayward I am?
Come on, bitch, bring it.
I don't think so.
Thoughts because your ass is scared.
Look, bitch, will give you such a fucking breakdown that Dr. Helpchick won't be able to use you in his breast milk ice cream factory.
Breast milk ice cream factory? What kind of crazy hell is that?
You stupid fucking bitch. You are at the Helpchick Chainsaw Treatment Center and breast milk ice cream plan. He wants our breast milk. You are about to be treated. That's what kind of crazy hell it is.